Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. Now for this process we will need a SIM eject tool, either one that comes provided with the device, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you got one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. As you can see where the pin is holding right now, and when you push the pin in, the tray will simply pop out. Yank it out of there, and you'll have space for two different SIM cards, or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you'd place one of the SIM cards on the SD tray like so. But if you're going with one of each like I am, then let's just place it on here. They do need to like flash on the tray, and go like so. And from here, insert it back into the device. And I should get a pin pop up. There we go. So pin for the SIM card. So obviously the SIM card is working, and SD card should be working just as well. Let me just quickly search for it, and there it is. So SD card is connected. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how you insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.